Jim Munley's World of Weather. You have clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 8th to the 20th. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Arthur, located about 95 miles. Let's see, get information. 95 miles from Halifax, Nova Scotia. Winds are 60 miles per hour. And it is good riddance, and it's gone. It caused a lot of flooding, a lot of destruction down when the Outer Banks of North Carolina. It brought heavy rains to eastern Long Island and southeastern Connecticut. Okay, so much for that. We move on to the next thing. We're going to talk about the period July 8th to the 12th. The pattern remains unchanged from yesterday with the western ridge and the eastern trough. The patterns forecast de-amplify as the trough approaches northwest. The ridge in the west will cause temperatures to be 10 to 15 degrees above normal, and the east is also forecast to heat up with temperatures 10 to 15 degrees above normal, but cooling will then follow behind a frontal boundary late in the period. We're going to look now at the period for July 11th to the 15th. July 11th to the 15th. Here we are at the 11th. Most of the models are indicating a ridge here over the west with a trough in the east. And we go now to the 13th. This is the GFS, still have a trough here and a ridge. This is the GFS ensembles, still showing a ridge, but with near to above normal heights of the U.S. This is the European deterministics and the European ensembles. As you can see here, the models are pretty much the same, but are showing various intensities of the trough. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for the Four Corners. This is due to monsoonal flow, and there might be possible flooding going on in this area, and above normal precipitation for this region too. Next, now we're going to look at the period for the 16th to the 20th. We're going to go now to the 16th. Here we are at the 16th.
Tell me clear, Sanford. 55. Tell me 20 is coming on.
And I want to tell you here that the GFS is not in agreement with its ensembles, as the GFS has a trough over the east, where the GFS ensembles is more zonal. And we're waiting for this to respond.
I'll give you a New Jersey BL. Just check them all around and check them at CIC corner. Kilo 0517 07669 09552.
So we go to the 16th. And I'm having trouble with these maps, but that's the main thing is that the GFS is not in agreement with its ensembles. However, the GFS ensemble is in line with most of the other models, forecasting near to above normal heights across much of the nation with a near zone of flow. See, that's the GFS. That's the GFS ensembles. And then we have the European ensembles. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and for precipitation, forecasting little change in the temperature or the precipitation anomalies. That's the temperature and the precipitation. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for July 8th to the 20th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.